Counting transfers and stopover. When passenger is taking any via point in the itinerary is called as via point or transfer point. It is further divided into two parts. The very first one is stopover point and the second one is no stopover point. Stopover point. Staying in via point for more than 24 hours is called as stopover point. Now the question arises that how to identify the stopover point. Any via point with no X/code is a stopover point. No stopover point. Staying in via point for less than 24 hours is called as no stopover point. In the itinerary, it is denoted with X/code. Guidelines for one-way journey. To identify stopover point in one-way journey, count all intermediate points with a stop of more than 24 hours as a stopover point, or count all intermediate points which has no X/code as a stopover point. To identify transfer point in one-way journey, include all